I have to shovel snow in front of the truck. I saw something on YouTube a long time ago. A guy used his lawnmower to blow the snow. So had the deck and it worked fairly well. So I thought, you know, I'm gonna give this a try now that I have the Beast. Now the Beast has those tractor tires on it. I don't know how well it's going to do in the snow. Now I watched a video of it with the swing tires that do pretty good in the snow. But on the other hand, the John Deere has chains on the tires. And I know those chains would do fantastic. I have no doubt about it. But the John Deere is a lot more expensive than the Beast. The Beast, you know, what are we up to? $250 on that? And you can buy them. They're on Facebook Marketplace all the time. So if I tear the Beast up, I'd be disappointed, but I wouldn't be out of a lot of money. So I'm going to give this a try. Now, well, first thing we got to do is hope and pray the Beast is going to start. We got to get it uncovered from the tarp. I'm going to interrupt this video real quick. I got a new video posting on my other channel. After this video, click that up next box. It'll take you over to that other channel where you can go down in the description or in the comment section, and the links will be there. Well, that was heavy. It didn't want to come off the tarp. I think I ripped my tarp. I'm gonna let it warm up for a bit. You're supposed to let it warm up and choke with the transmission engaged. The transmission has to be engaged for at least 1 minute. It's in neutral with the brake. That sounds a little better. I tell you, that's a fine running machine for a 24-year-old machine. I guess I'll put a little gas in it because I don't know how low it is. it wasn't snowblower perfect, but snowblowers don't do as good as shovels either. So I think it did fantastic, to be honest. What I noticed is going up the hill and digging into that snow, it was better if I raised the deck all the way up, put it in high gear and got up there, and then back down, lowered the deck back down the hill. I have better traction that way, which makes sense. So, I mean, the John Deere would have done better, but there's just no way I would have done that with the John Deere. So, that's an option when you live out in the country and you got an old beater lawnmower to plow your snow. Now, I have talked about buying a plow, but it's just not worth the money for us. You see what little I have to do. If this is going to work, and the worst thing that's going to happen is the rocks are going to dull the blades, so I'll just sharpen the blades, no big deal. But I don't think I'll use it very much to mow anyways. The beast is designed to be a beast, not to mow. So this is a pretty steep hill here, right up in this, and I had to back up and give it a few tries, but we got up it. I think it's did a great job. So if you'll click this up next box, it'll take you to a video on my new channel. It'll be a new video. If you'll go over there, I'd appreciate it. So I hope I can inspire you. Try new things just to see if they work when you live in your dreams. Thanks for watching.